Hey guys, what we have here today is this 36-inch Design House Carousel top-mounted spinner ceiling fan, and it's in brown finish. I decided to put the satellite cane blades with the Design House, and I gotta say, it looks really cool the way it looks. I mean, I wish the Design House came like that with cane, but came with the Bright Oak stencil blades, which it looks alright. But the original box has the arch end tips. I think you guys already seen that. If you haven't, I'll send you a photo of what it looks like. But anyway, it is reversible, and we'll go ahead and I'll show you a little close up. See the vents on the motor. And then there's your cane, which I really love. Sorry about blurriness. And I added a ball pull chain. So yeah, also I want to point out, I finally fixed the low speed because the wires inside the switch housing was not connected, because one was connected from the switch box and the other wire was connected through the switch housing through the fan, and I finally got that fixed, and the low speed works. So yeah, anyway, we'll go ahead and start with the demo, starting on low. I'm using a flashlight from my phone, which is down over there, and I'm using my digital camera because you can actually see it better. I can hear it a little bit from the motor, but I mean it's silent. There's no too loud bearings or any weird noise coming from it. I mean I can probably hear a little hum, but it's not bad. And it's moving a little breeze on low. Alright, now we can try for medium. Focus, there we go. Finally picking up some air. Gosh, I really like the looks on it too. Yeah, it's moving a good breeze for medium. Focus. Okay, now we'll go ahead and turn it to high speed. It does wobble. But it is picking up a lot of air. Yeah, it's itchy, shaky, but also I've noticed when I let me show you something. Since I got the flashlight on, you can actually see the inside of the motor through the vents, which is, I think, it's pretty cool. Kind of see that a little. Yeah. Oops, sorry. Yeah, I love how much air it's moving. Let's back up a little ways. Like I said before, I really like the looks. Brown blade, or yeah, dark brown blades. I think they're, I don't know if they're walnut or oak, but with cane, hey, you can't go wrong with it. Alright, now time to power off. I don't normally do reverse. I just like doing it on airflow. I did use one of those 36, well, cane blades from a satellite on my Toastmasters spinner. I mean, you guys seen the video in the group that I did. Wish I could find more of those 36-inch cane, because if I find one just like those, then I can put it for with this one, because, I mean, this looks great. I love it. Sorry, my stomach was growling. Alright, there you have it, folks. There's your 36-inch design house, Carrousel, top-mounted spinner ceiling fan. And hope you enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching.